Hello, everyone. I'm Bill, and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video. Hey, lady.
Hey, man.
Let's go find a room.
Okay. There's an elevator and there are stairs.
It's a miracle.
I thought you said 2602.
2601.
Oh, I apologize.
This is our room. We have a little mirror,
Looks like a pool in here.
little entryway, connecting door to the room next door.
Oh, my word.
This is the kitchenette, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, coffee, a sink, a fridge, keep my Cokes and stuff in, and trash and recycle. We got an ice bucket, silverware, dishes, plates, coffee cups, and paper towels. And we go over here. This is the bathroom. I can find some more light switches. Toilet, shower, pretty plain, regular, normal shower. Didn't have one of the fancy heads all over, but that might be rotatable for a massage head. I like that. And of course, toiletries. Love Disney toiletries, they're the best. And single sink, built-in hair dryer, closet with ironing board and iron, a safe, a vacuum cleaner, and all the way back in the corner there's a crib. I don't think we're going to need that. Extra bedding up here on the top. And now we'll move into the living area. Oh my God, we are right on the water. I think we'll go out here first. This is our patio, and this is our view. That is so amazing. It's too bad we're only staying one night in this room before moving over to the beach club. And there's a big Mickey. Anyway, patio, you got a little oval window right there. It's not really a window, just an opening. 2 chairs, table. Go back inside, we got a couch, a lamp, a painting of people painting, ottoman, which I'm assuming opens up for storage. Maybe it doesn't. Nope, I guess not. Table, 2 chairs, big mirror. The entertainment center with a DVD player and a small screen TV. Not quite as big as the 55-inch that I'm used to at home, but the beach club has a big one when we get there tomorrow. and a bed. But no towel Mickeys. Oh well. Some Saratoga architecture from back in the day, it appears. Anyway, that's all for now. We'll probably do some more later and continue day one. Maybe I'll take everybody to dinner. We even get to watch the amphicars going right outside our room. I really want to try that one of these days. That looks so cool. And they're waving for the camera. Getting ready to go in and get some dinner. Thought we'd take a little video of the horse in the winter circle. Now let's go eat. This is the fancy pool at the resort from the top side. I don't know how much you can see. I can get it there only so high. We'll have to try looking at that later. Anyway, we'll pan back around. And that's where we're going to go have dinner. Let's go look at the menu. Here's the menu. I'm thinking about getting that Italian flatbread sandwich. But you'll just have to wait and see. Cookies. Alright, we're just kind of sitting here waiting for our food to be delivered. And I'll give you an overview of the feeding area. They have really cool lights.
Really pretty in here.
And some kind of artwork in the ceiling, I'm not sure. It's kind of modern.
Hello, phone number.
Hi, food.
Okay.
All right, I had the
That's
soup.
a soup?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
I got an Italian flatbread sandwich with chips and an M&M cookie.
Oh my word.
And Lori got
Homemade.
homemade chicken
Chicken
noodle
noodle
soup,
soup.
they say. And the ever-present glass of wine.
Always.
And we'll go ahead and say hi to Lori.
Hi. This is my travel look.
It's your travel look.
My travel look.
So we're going to have dinner and we'll let you know how it was when we're done. Well, as you can see, we've pretty well demolished dinner.
It was good.
My sandwich was pretty good. It was really odd eating a sandwich that was made out of a flatbread, but really tasty. House-made big chips, of course, they're always good.
Those were good, yes.
I have to say the giant M&M chocolate cookie is just outstanding. I can't even talk. I got chocolate. And then Lori, she had some
the chicken
soup.
noodle soup was delicious.
Good soup.
Yes,
So
very good.
for a quick service restaurant, wasn't bad. I think we spent what
$30.
$30 for dinner for two people.
Yeah.
And now I guess we need to walk off all these calories and go to Disney Springs. This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.